Modify PDF without changing metadata. Do you want to change the information of your important PDF or scan document, but are afraid that the metadata or originality will be lost? Are you losing the layout and quality of your document by editing it with simple online tools? Solution: we modify your PDF without changing any metadata or original background. Working at the pixel level with Adobe Photoshop, we keep the fonts, watermarks, and paper textures exactly as the original. As a result, it is impossible to catch the edits even with high-resolution zoom. Call to action: WhatsApp us now for perfect changes to invoices, utility bills, or any document. Pay only if you like the work. Social media short caption: FB, Instagram, YouTube. Modify PDF without changing metadata. Hammer: want to edit your important scanned copy or PDF perfectly? Forget the clap edits of common online tools. We provide 100% invisible and professional editing services. Our specialty: metadata will remain completely unchanged. Original fonts, backgrounds, and watermarks will remain intact. Impossible to catch even when zoomed in or printed in high resolution. Super fast delivery within just 30 minutes to 2 hours. What we edit: invoices, bills, pay stubs, rental agreements, etc. Note: government ID or passport is not edited. Contact: WhatsApp +8801788716077. Website: tuner.com.